And welcome back, guys. Episode 2 of the Arivalls adventure of the Cube Land. Last time we left off at smelting all this iron and getting coal and our resources. We have quite a bit of food, and there's a zombie over there. Let's go ahead and start out, though. Today we're gonna go get some more stuff. I don't know what kind of stuff, which more resources, and yeah, I want to find more iron so we can build more tools. Back here, put all my tools up here. Well, all my tools and stuff. That's why I put that there. Get my iron. Get some iron tools going. Hold up. We need that. We need this and the sword. Most important. Oh, see, I don't like that feature, man. It's making me mad. Last but not least, of course, our iron chest plate and another sword. And another pickaxe. I think we're set to go again. Get that. That's enough torches to last us through the trip. Okay, let's go mining again. So it's, well, no. Let's go get some wood. We need wood so we can start out to do what we want. But it's fine. Yeah. Hold up. Oh, more cow. There we go. We need to get as many cows as we can so we can make books. Books, yeah. Because of the leather. You need leather to make paper or books now. That's what I've been seeing. Ooh, another cave. Yeah, so I ended up getting sick, which kind of sucks. I hate being sick. Doesn't mean I won't record though, but hopefully I'll try not to cough or anything as often. Make it. Yeah. We found some more iron here, that's good. Oops, I already did it again. Let's put our coal and iron here. Whoa. There we go. Yeah, I fixed my volume now. My voice is more clear. My mic ain't that good, so you'll hear a lot of fuzzy noise. But it's all I got right now, so it's all I got till I get more money and buy a new one, a better one that doesn't have as much fuzzy noises. But other than that, I think today I want to build a farm, a wheat farm or a cow farm, animal farm. So we'll start with that. I saw some iron here, so there's a bat. Oh. What is the chances of getting a torch? Okay, we're doing pretty good on resources. Now let me just get this coal and get out of here. We've been mining for a while. It's kind of boring seeing me mine. Start getting those fence poles so we can build the farm. I want all the animals. Then we're gonna make a wheat farm so we can breed them, yeah. Excuse me. So let's get some wood here. Well, I'm getting some wood. Today I was trying to record Gotham City Imposters. 2 episodes of that. But it seems like Steam ain't working. Like, I can't connect to any. Could be my internet, but I'm pretty sure it isn't. Steam was just being dumb and it wasn't letting me connect. But, it doesn't seem like I have any volume on this. Hold up. You hear that? There's no volume on the Minecraft. Why is that? I don't know. It's weird. Whatever. I'll see what it is later. Yeah, so let me get some wood here and let me talk to you guys. Yeah, so I was trying to record Gotham City Imposters, but it wasn't letting me record for some reason. Play. So I couldn't play online, and it was being dumb and stupid. But, yeah. It's starting to become nighttime again. Sorry about that. But yeah, it was being dumb. Actually, that cleared me up pretty good. To be honest, I don't know where our home is now. Get me these, because we'll be making some tree farms. Was I down here before? No, I was. I don't remember where I was. Where was all my stuff? Whoa, that's a deep drop. Oh, I think I lost myself. That's what happens to me all the time. No. Here we go. Let me light up this place more so we can see where it is. You can see it from further away. Anyways, we got some wood. That should be... Oh. Nice. The wood should be enough now to make enough fence poles for the farm. So, oh, more iron. Nice. Get as much iron as we can. So, I'll think of how I'm gonna do that farm. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do it really. This is definitely not it. It's this way. No, it's not this way. This is not my house. Ah, come on. I can already tell it's not my house because the way down wasn't the exact same as last time. Oh. Let me walk around for a second. Come on. Tell me we got lost. Ah, jeez. It should be pretty lit up, I mean. Stupid bat. I don't see any bad guys around. I don't know what the volume ain't right. That's what's making me mad. Okay, let's find our house. Go somewhere this way, because I remember we killed the cow. Yeah, there it is. Oh, they'll let me kill this. Oh, cheap. That's stupid, man. Get out of here. Spiders piss me off so much. Stupid. I was so in it too. Did you hear my intense music was coming on and everything? Right, let's see. Get some wood. Get some sticks. Get Some more sticks. Get a lot of fence poles. There's a lot of fence poles. Alright. Let's put these back. Got some iron in there, more food. Let's get this cooking. 3 of those. Doing good so far. Let's go, oh, don't I have wool? I think I have wool. 3 wool, let's just make a bed. There we go. Put it here. Here, there we go. Let's sleep through the night, sleep through the night, sleep through the night, yeah. Yeah, so I was trying to, like I said, I was trying to record that city imposters thing. But it definitely wasn't working out for me. It wasn't letting me. It's making me mad. Yeah, just being stupid. And there we go. Get some of those. Hopefully people enjoy so far. I don't really know what to talk about yet, so it's kind of boring at first. But we'll get there. Yeah. More torches. Oh yeah, when I was saying about the Steam, it just says the connection wasn't available or something. I don't know if that's a problem with it, or if you guys know, just let me know. Super creeper. Okay, so where are we gonna build it? Just here. Let me fill this in as much as I can. Get rid of that, and make a pen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Make a door. This one's gonna be for cows, so I need cows. And then we'll make another one right on the side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see. Fucking make this. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then just connect it. And like this. This one will be for pigs. Yeah, for pigs. There we go. So yeah, that one will be for pigs and cows, so we can have food and stuff. And on the opposite sides we'll do the same thing, but just like facing the other way. Yeah, I'm just getting some dirt so I can fill that in. Hold on. Let's see, that should be good enough. And make make it look like it's from here. Going down. Terraform it a bit. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. There you go. In the back we'll have more. You might be able to fit one more. Let's try it. I'm not sure. Let me give a shout out to my realness. Oh, speaking of that, the other day in math class, we were doing a test, and then in the middle of it was just a stupid, quick, actually, yeah. And our teacher always makes us put our phones at the front of the class, like all our stuff, our phones, so she can see it and everything, at the front of the class. And in the middle of the test, all we hear, the middle of the test, my friend's phone goes off. But it was out of nowhere because everything was so quiet. And then it was so funny though, because when the phone went off, his volume was on loud because he knew his mom was gonna call him soon. But the funny part was the ringtone he had on was what's it called? Kanye West. What's it called? I don't remember right now, but it was funny. It had something with big booties, and it was like, I love big. No, it's not big booty bitches. It's we're short one. Come on. I don't remember right now, but when I remember, I'll tell you guys. But it was such a funny. Just in the middle of nowhere, like in the middle of the test. Just goes off like as loud as it can. And my teacher's all like, "Really? Out of all the ringtones you picked, you could have picked, you picked that one." And it was so funny. But it was just funny. I'm sorry. It's just stupid. It's such a funny class. Such a funny class. Such a funny class. Oh, dude, it's kind of nippy in my room. It's kind of cold. Kind of nippy. But oh, perfect, right there. Yeah. Oh, I'm good with these. If there's nothing distracting me. Watch. Yeah, definitely good with them. Yeah, so you guys can see, lesson learned. To kill a creeper, you just let it explode. I'm a pro. Always get him. Never hurt me. Where do these guys come from? There's no dark places that I can see of. Like, everything's lit. Stupid. There we go, the pens are finishing up. And there. Okay, hold up. Yeah, so. Yeah, oh, come on, man. Seriously, I don't understand this. He got me on fire? How? This game is so different now. We have that now. There we go. Let's put all this away. We'll need seeds and sugar canes. And a hoe. Nah. Oh, okay. I was like, of course we don't have wood. But I think you should be able to make sticks, yeah. There we go. Put that back. We got iron now. Make me some leggings. And some nice helmet. There we go. And some boots. I think we're set for that. There you go. How long have I been recording for? I don't know. But next episode we'll get the oh, this water's this. Next episode we'll get the farms going. The sugarcane and wheat farm first, and then on episode 4 we'll go hunting for a village, so we can get potatoes and some other cool stuff. Like, I don't know, what do they have at villages? That's cool. Carrots. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. Let that grow. I think that wraps it up for this episode, though. I think this is a shorter one. I'm not sure. I know we did a lot. We got that done. Next episode we'll work on the farm some more, and then on episode 4 we'll go village hunting, and then on episode 5 we'll work on something. But yeah, thanks for sticking through the episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode, which I will release 2 tomorrow. I promise, because I released this one late because I was trying to record Gotham City, but it didn't work. If it works tomorrow, I'll do that, and I'll work on 1 Minecraft and 1 Gotham. But that's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. Again, you guys are awesome. Peace out.